Today, I'm going to show you how to access the Chrome Web Store, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the web store quickly and safely, so you can start exploring tons of useful extensions that can make your browsing experience smoother and more productive. Let's dive in. First, make sure you open your Google Chrome browser. This is important because the Chrome Web Store is designed specifically for Chrome, and you'll want to be inside the browser so everything connects smoothly. If you're using a different browser, like Firefox or Safari, you might run into compatibility issues, or the page may not look quite right. So look for that colorful circular icon on your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, and give it a click. It'll open up to your usual Chrome homepage, ready for action. Now, head up to the top of the Chrome window and find the address bar, that long rectangular box where you usually enter websites or search queries. Here's my favorite trick. Rather than typing in a long web address, just type Chrome Store into the search bar. You don't need to worry about capital letters or typing the full official name. This is what makes Chrome so user-friendly. It understands what you're looking for even with just a few words. Hit Enter on your keyboard, and you'll see a list of search results pop up in just a second or two. Next comes a really important step: selecting the actual Chrome Web Store from those results. Google's search results will usually place the official Chrome Web Store right at the top, but take a moment to make sure you're clicking the authentic link. The web address should be chrome.google.com web store. Sometimes there are ads or third-party websites mixed in with the results, so just double-check before you click. Think of it like sorting mail. You want to open the right envelope, not junk mail. Once you click on the official link, you'll be transported directly to the web store, which is packed full of extensions and themes waiting for you to explore. And really, that's it. You're now in the Chrome Web Store. From here, you can browse categories, search for specific extensions, or discover new tools to help with everything from blocking ads to organizing your tabs. If you're new to the web store, take a moment to scroll around and see what catches your eye. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. You can always use the search bar within the web store itself to find exactly what you need. So if you ever forget this process, just remember, open Chrome, type Chrome Store in the search bar, pick the official result, and you're in. It's quick and easy once you know how. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about the Chrome Web Store, or if you're curious about which extensions I recommend, drop a comment below. I read every one. And if you're looking for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.